Hi there, welcome back. This is Manu here. Today I'm going to start a series on pronunciation. Pronunciation, words that are mostly mispronounced in India. The first word itself is this, pronunciation. It's not pronunciation. Pronounce is the verb. You pronounce a word and that is its pronunciation. None. It's N-U-N. Pronunciation. Stress on A. Pronunciation. Asian. Stress on A. Another word is the fruit, the dry fruit. Yeah. I've heard lots of people pronouncing it as almond. I'm going to buy some almonds. Not almonds. It's almonds. Almond. Almond. Almonds. Stress on R. L is not pronounced here. It's almond. Another word I'm going to give you today is the month. It's April, not April. 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 See, prul. It's not pril. There's a sound in English called the schwa. It's the shortest, the smallest sound in English. In the English language. So it's April, prul. And you stress on A. So it's April. The month is April. Don't say April. I'll give you one more. The disease. Yeah. What is this? It's not asthma. It's asthma. Asthma. The TH is, you might say it's kind of dropped. Drop it. But it's there, very slight. Asthma. Or asthma. Asthma. Stress on as. The second syllable, m, is a schwa. Asthma or asthma. Not asthma. We'll continue with this over the next videos as well. A lot of videos coming up with these pronunciations or mispronunciations. Catch you in the next 10. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.